Alright everybody, we're inside the water park. Just going to give you a quick tour around the water park before we get on any slides and rides. Over here they got a little bar over there if you want a Coca-Cola, a water or a beverage over there. They got some nice staff ready to go. This is going to be the splash zone over here to the left. We're going to get on this rope course. We'll do a separate video on the rope course. If you want to follow us all the way around the loop, feel free to do that. We'll have that coming up soon. Looks like they've got a little kiddie pool here, several sprayers to choose from, nice little waterfall elements, and they've got the water cannon over there, so if the kids want to get in there, blast everybody. They've got the little mini slide over here in the distance, and then of course the two big water slides, and then the big giant splashdown if you want to get absolutely soaked. Now this thing, it's like a washing machine. I don't know how fast it's gonna be or what. Boy, there's the exhaust system for the ship. Almost never see that. And up we go to the speed slide. Should have a nice view of the ocean from up here. We're basically all the way up to the top of the boat now. Yeah, we're way up by the smokestacks. This is as high up as you get. Let's see if he's clear. Is he out of the way? Shit! Oh, round the horn! Wow, we did 2 laps. We did 2 laps around that thing. That was fast. Woo! That was a good one. Alright, we got one more slide up next. You know what? Let's just hang. Where's Becky come out? I can't even tell where I'm at. Oh, right here out that hole. Holy smokes. Alright. We'll wait on her. Here she comes. Whoa, there she goes.
Oh my God.
There she goes.
I was not expecting that.
That thing is fast, huh?
Holy.
Yeah. It kind of, yeah, the rungs on the slide, you hear like deep, 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 you know, like it kind of impacts just a touch. But wow, it picks up speed, and like you can make that double loop like super fast. So that's awesome. All right, well, we'll get back in line. I'm just going first this time because I'm recording. Okay. Hold up. Get your butt in it. Are you in?
I think.
Okay. Push. And then arch up so you're not sitting on the ground, because we're heavy. Oh boy, here we go. We're gonna fly. Woo! That is dark. Oh, oh! Woo! Oh, smokes! Woo! Yeah, buddy.
Oh my God.
Wow, it got fast, huh? Picked right up.
Oh my goodness.
Okay. All right, here we go. Here it is. Woo. Oh, this water is warm. I think it's ocean water. Holy pitch black.
Oh my God.
Here it is.
Oh, dear God.
Alright everybody, that's going to wrap up the water park here on top of the MSC Mereviglia. What do you think of the park?
Yeah, definitely some fun slides.
3 great slides. 2 are faster than the others. The speed slide is worth a try. I don't know how many times you could ride that thing in a row because the grooves kind of hit you in the back a little bit. Maybe that's just for us because we're full-size adults and all that good stuff. But it's salt water, so if you've never been down a saltwater water slide, great. They're just pumping her right out of the old ocean, I guess. Can't get much cleaner than that. Had a great time here. The sun's out.
Yeah.
Beautiful park. They got that obstacle course up top here. You can ride the slides as many times as you'd like. But we would have liked to see maybe a couple of more aired up tubes. Might have made the process a little bit faster, but they do have staff. They're very helpful. All in all, nice little park. worth to do if they're not too busy on the boat. And thanks for joining us. So if you'd like to see more videos, check out our playlists. We'll have more videos coming out all the time. Leave us a like or a comment if you'd like to help out the channel, and always consider subscribing. Big thank you to all our loyal subscribers, and we'll see you all very soon on the next review. Bye, everybody.